Alright guys, we're here currently in the freeway. We got a flat for like the third time. It's not even a joke no more. We can't joke around with this truck. What you gotta say about this?
That's my dude.
What happened? What happened on Saturday?
What happened?
So we got a fucking flat too. Mira, ya le llamó la mamá.
What happened in Mexico?
In Mexico, we got a flat too.
No, the other thing, what happened in Mexico?
Shut the fuck up. We don't talk about.
What happened?
What happened? Oh. Alright, you guys can see we already fucking put the stock on. Mom is calling him to go to bed, Mimi.
For what?
We're currently the vlog. As you can see, we're fixing it already. Shut the fuck up, you fucking nigger. Oh, right here, guys. We just got this OBS. Orlando got it. Another nigga was pissing in the corner.
Sleeping?
Yeah, they're both sleeping. Truck overheated because the radiator, but some light. Just a couple. We got a they got our sunroof. We got the dent in the front. No pasa nada. There's Yonkers way that have like OBSs and shit. We could get a bumper from it.
No, we already got bumper.
Oh, from who? Chris?
No, the Chris has one? Texas Chris. Ask him what he has.
All right.
Rims. You can say that.
Oh, he has rims, yeah.
We'll put the rims on. They're like say what rims are?
I don't know if they're the new ones or the old ones they has, but they're fucking both dope.
They're what?
They're both dope.
They're both dope.
Dope.
Do they have tires?
Yeah, both of them.
Tell them, man. Tell us for the rims.
Fucking cold. We're about to drive it.
At least you have some money.
Ay, wait.
Ah, that shit got hot, nigga, like fast. What? This shit? What is this? Is it temperature? Oh, man, this shit is. Ah, that shit got hot. What do you need to do? Yeah, you don't have no more water. You don't have water in the truck? Water bottle? No. You took everything out. Bájale la agua de niño, güey. No, now that I put the water in the. I put water in the bottle.
There we go.
There
Yeah, that's how it's like.
Close it, right?
Let's see. Oh, there we go.
You have to like push it down and turn it. Alright, I'm gonna try it out.
Look at this shit. Clean. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, la verga. Alright, guys, we got. Ay, ya, verga.
That shit may explode.
Damn, nigga. Oh, what the fuck? You hear that?
You fucked it up, chaval. Go, nigga. It was just a time drag.
Wait, hold it. Nah, wait, it's breaking itself. It's traction control. Oh, I need to turn off traction control. Yeah, there we go. Nigga, but it's pulling that way. You sure we don't got a flat?
It's brake. The brakes are stuck.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. Let's go, watch. Let's go check it. This shit fucking started braking by itself.
That truck?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
I don't fucking know. It just started braking.
Did you guys try going already?
Yeah. Yeah, we turned off the traction. That shit still braked. Watch, go drive, Chava.
No, it's good.
Alright, peace out.
That U-turn, and it has the stock, and we didn't put traction control.
Alright, peace out.
Peace out.
Alright, guys, we're heading back.
That shit like brakes and pulls it to the side.
Alright, well, we're gonna go back then.
As you guys saw, we got the OBS 3 days ago. I just picked up a bumper for it. You can see the old truck right there. But yeah, guys, what's it called? I'm gonna show you guys the bumper right now. Fucking cold. I'm gonna put my jacket on and shit. But you guys can see right here in the back of my truck. We got the bumper for it. That shit needs the front bumper still. The door panels. So if anyone has any, hit us up so we could buy them and shit. We still need hella shit. Maybe I'll bomb on my truck. It's fucking cold. Fuck is light. But yeah, guys, what's it called? We're gonna build that shit. Me and the two Orlandos. Damn, you can't see shit because of the lighting. But what's it called? I'm gonna head over to the OBS right now. Install the parts. I think today we might do the spark plugs. A little tune-up, you know. Spark plugs, oil change. We need to get the filter. What else? We need the power steering and the radiator. But yeah, I need to take out the sunroof off that one. I still haven't done that shit. It's been like 4 months since I had this truck. I still need to take them off and then hopefully install them in this one. And then I still need the step notch. A lot of bullshit, but you know, we're gonna vlog all of it. Right now I'm gonna head over to the OBS right now. I'm at homie's house, and then I'm gonna show you guys during the day, because I believe we showed you guys in the night when we're bringing the OBS over there. Well, it was afternoon, but you know, it gets late. It gets dark earlier and shit. But yeah, I got the tools in the back. I got the fucking impact and shit. I'll head over there and show you guys the OBS. We just did the power steering.
When I was leaving the house,
I'm missing a dado. I'm trying to find it right now. But there's OBS.
we're leaving your license. I got one.
Oh. He also the interior to another way. You got the sunroof. I was gonna show them the interior, but the door's open, so I have to use the window. We got the bumper, as I told you guys. We just need the brackets. But yeah, I fucking did most of the work, like always. Hey, chavos, aquí andamos todavía.
Mexico, guys.
Yeah, when you guys prank me.
You have it, niggas down there.
Guys, as you guys can see, we already did the spark plugs, the wires. Orlando right now, he's doing the oil, the only thing he has done. And the filter. The filter was brand new. We changed the power steering pump.
Chala did that, surprisingly.
Abraham is about to fucking get the front end for 50 bucks.
Nah, fuck
No, it wasn't. The guy said, vete a la verga. Alright, guys. We had to finish, finally.
It took us like 3 hours.
How much money have we put into this?
Well, it was 700 plus another like 650 that we...
700 plus 750 from the Pew Pew. Alright, guys, we're testing it out right now.
Nigga, I'm hella tight in this bitch. You step on it and that shit goes fast.
We're testing it out.
Spins, nigga, so be careful.
Abraham's first time driving on the good state that is right now.
Oh, we're going to his house, huh?
Yeah. Hey, watch out.
Yeah, for the stuff.
Oh yeah, dog. Mira.
This shit feels so weird.
Oh shit.
I'm recording this bitch. You want to turn them on? Yeah. Nah, turn
I'm warm. I'm good because I'm in the middle.
Nigga, my gun's gonna go.
This was the door open. It almost hit the
I'm warm
ramp.
as fuck.
Me too.
Nigga, I'm scared. This door's gonna open, nigga. This door's gonna open. Don't do that. You're gonna fucking eject the seat.
How do you feel?
I feel like a cut.
How do you right?
Hey, you're not even recording that phone.
Look. I got verga.